Wait. Before you scroll, wait a second. Wait. Put your tiny little fingers on the like button. What was so hard? And you know what? Press the subscribe button. Pressing subscribe, but it doesn't mean they're going to take 1 billion out of your account. Press subscribe. I said press subscribe right now. Right now. Press that button. Press that subscribe button. Nigga, don't you hear? I said press that subscribe button. Thank you. And make sure you go in the comment section and say I'm done. Okay? And say I'm done. And you can go and watch my other videos before I get shadow banned, because you just watched my video in school. So go. Chop chop.